Hey, good morning, Wildcats. So it's Friday, and I just want to say a word about this coming Monday. We don't have school because it's Memorial Day, a day for us to celebrate and honor the sacrifice that men and women in the armed forces in this wonderful nation made for us to keep our freedoms, to keep our liberty. Memorial Day actually started right after the Civil War in the 1860s. The story is that a group of freed slaves began what has now become Memorial Day. Remember, during the Civil War, over 600,000 Americans died during that conflict, that terrible conflict. So everywhere you went, there was death, destruction, evidence that people had paid the ultimate sacrifice. So it was very raw then. And during conflict, it's very raw, and as time goes by, we kind of forget about it. We just take the day as a day off and don't honor the men and women in our armed forces. So I wanted to speak about Memorial Day here a little bit. It's a time to remember those who lost their lives for our luxury, for our freedom, so that we can sit here in comfort without a care in the world in many cases. So here's one thing that you can do to add value, right? Reach out to a veteran. Reach out to somebody that has been in the service or is currently in the service. Thank them for what they have done, Wildcats. It's a great way to show your appreciation to them and honor and show your appreciation to this great country. So, hey, have a great weekend, everybody. Honor a veteran on Memorial Day. I'll talk to you next Tuesday. Take care, all.